At the Shanghai Auto Show, the Zeekr 9X was officially introduced. Zeekr's new global ultra-luxury SUV flagship and the previously released 4-seat ultra-luxury flagship Zeekr 009 Glorious Collector's Edition will form Zeekr's dual luxury series. We can say that the Zeekr 9X is a true technological marvel. Not only does it have an authoritative appearance, but its performance characteristics are also unmatched. In terms of appearance, the Zeekr 9X will continue to use the family-style air intake grille. The 1.2-meter wide and 70 cm high chrome-plated air intake grille has an extremely dominant appearance, while the square front shape also reflects the distinct identity and status of this car. The front hood also has an extended design, and the middle grille extends directly to the entire front of the car. The family-style vertical light strip is not used in the headlight group, but instead, a unique horizontal light strip is adopted. Even though only the direction changes, the whole feeling looks different. In addition, a large star diamond matrix light group is used in the headlight group. With laser engraving technology, 42,242 diamond-cut surfaces of different sizes are integrated into the light group, creating a starry sky effect. The new car is more than 5.2 meters long, more than 2 meters wide, more than 1.8 meters high, and about 3.2 meters wheelbase. It is a standard full-size SUV. More importantly, a flat waist design is used from the front to the rear of the car, and the entire front of the car has a slightly upward design, inspired by the design concept of a certain luxury SUV. The new car will use 22-inch mirror-forged wheels, which look quite dominant and are perfect for such a large body. The width of the rear door is more than 1 meter, and the opening angle is about 90 degrees, making it easier for the second and third row passengers to get in and out of the car. The roof design of the Zeekr 9X is inspired by the flying bridge design of large luxury yachts. The entire D-pillar, illuminated by chrome plating, also forms an integrated bright C-ring starting from the upper line and window line of the vehicle to the front of the vehicle, thus creating the original flying bridge-type yacht roof. This makes the roof and rear more visually tighter, while also making the side proportions of the Zeekr 9X more coordinated. The design of the rear of the vehicle is also quite science-fictional. The large star diamond light group also appears in the taillight design, and it also uses a surround shape. It is really recognizable after it lights up. The interior of the vehicle has not yet been announced, but just from the exterior, we can tell that this vehicle is not plain. In addition, the new car will use a super-electric hybrid with a 900V high-voltage full-stack architecture, and it will use a 6C Xiaoyao battery, which can reach a pure electric range of 380 kilometers and also improve charging efficiency. It only takes 9 minutes to charge the battery from 20% to 80%. In terms of power, the Zeekr 9X's claim is obvious. It will adopt a large super-electric hybrid system that can achieve the most powerful comprehensive performance of pure electric, hybrid and extended range. When hybrid power is used, the front motor has a power of 290 kilowatts and the rear motor has a power of 370 kilowatts. 2.0T super hybrid engine with a power of up to 205 kilowatts. In terms of extended range performance, Hauhan Super Hybrid uses the world's highest power generator, which is equivalent to carrying a mobile fast charging stack on the vehicle. When the battery is low, it can be charged while driving, and it can store more power as the driving time extends. In addition, Zeekr 9X will be equipped with a closed dual-chamber air suspension and double-valve CCD, which can provide 110 mm lifting force and 288 mm maximum ground clearance. At the same time, the new car has L3 driving capability, uses dual Thor chips and 5 laser radars, and has a computing power of 1,400 TOPS.